is making moves, and in this video we're going to be having a look at a link price prediction analysis on CoinGecko, on TradingView. We're going to be having a look at some news. We're going to be having a look on a price target on how much money you can turn using Chainlink as an investment. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys stick till the end because this will be an interesting one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and of course don't forget to turn those notification bells on so you never miss a video. So diving into Chainlink right here, straight off on CoinGecko, we can see that Chainlink is currently sitting at a market cap of $4.3 billion, up 2.4%, traded at $7.76. Okay, so we know that Chainlink has by far been the biggest story in September. Okay, up almost nearly 40% in a matter of just a couple of weeks. We know that Bitcoin has been in a downtrend. Bitcoin has been a little bit boring, but something that you guys do need to be careful about right now is that Chainlink is still in a downtrend overall. So if I actually extend that like that and I take it from the wick, the previous wick from November 2022, which was almost a year ago, you can see that Chainlink is making higher lows or lower highs. A little bit confused right now, but doesn't matter. So you could see right here that obviously this is not the most bullish trend, right? Especially on a longer time frame. And if we have a look at the RSI, we can see that every time the Chainlink went and was overbought on the RSI, we pretty much came right back down. And right now Chainlink is trying to peak over 70 on the RSI, which is making it overbought. And we know what happens every time it is overbought. We usually essentially come down, and that is about it. So you guys can see right here, Chainlink is about to be rejected, or not only by the RSI, the resistance, but it could potentially get rejected by this resistance right here and this trend line. So this is obviously going to be very, very interesting. I'm hoping for a consolidation because the consolidation will bring the RSI down, which will be very, very bullish. But if we see a hard rejection with volume going up, we could see Chainlink reversing anytime soon. But this is looking great overall. This is very, very, a lot of people are buying, a lot of people are bullish. We know that every time we're oversold, Chainlink will look for a potential reversal. Right here we were oversold, boom, came up, or oversold right here, boom, came up, oversold right here, boom, came up. So not the biggest analysis, but obviously it seems like Chainlink is respecting the RSI, and you know, RSI doesn't usually work like that on every cryptocurrency. It barely works on Bitcoin. So that's what's happening. The volume flowing into Chainlink is very, very bullish. $511 million, knowing that this is still a bear market, is obviously very, very bullish. The whole crypto market right now is pretty much in green. Things are looking fantastic. Chainlink right now, beautiful, beautiful growth in the past week right here, up 15%, in the past month 30%. I think it's a little bit higher than that according to what we just saw. And why is this bullish? Well, Chainlink ccip goes live on Base. So cross-chain IP goes live on Base. Chainlink unlocks an easier way to build cross-chain application and services with ccip. So obviously this is pretty bullish. And of course this text right here is a little bit biased, but it did come out just an hour ago. Only Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink are meaningful decentralized, says Sergey Nazarov. Okay, amid falling bridges and staking cartels, industry experts like the Chainlink co-founder are again debating the age-old questions of decentralization. So obviously, is Chainlink fully and on the same level as Bitcoin, as Ethereum? We're gonna have a look at that on why I think it could be a top 3 cryptocurrency, obviously in the near future, but don't take my word for it, guys. I'm just here for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor whatsoever, but let's dive into this real quick. Okay, so first of all, the current market cap of Chainlink is sitting at $4.3 billion. Okay, if you were to have invested $1,000 today, obviously at a market cap of $4.3 billion, and Chainlink would to go to $53 billion, your return would be 12.5x, which is 1,250%, which would essentially turn into $12,500. That's obviously pretty darn good. It's me. Now, of course, if you invest 2,000, you could double that, make it 25,000. If you invest 3,000, you could triple that, and it's you know, you could essentially do the math from there. 5 times 5,000, you could, you know, 5 times that, and pretty much that's about it. So the market cap right now of Chainlink, $4.3 billion. If it would go to 53 billion, you would make a 12.5x. Market cap of Chainlink, the next level would be 134 billion. Of of course, guys, green making it from high likely to medium to not probable to not possible. 31x would be $134 billion. Okay, now that would be a return of 31,000 or 31x, but your portfolio value would be 31,250. Now, if we have a look on Chainlink right here, let's take out the weekly candle so we make it more clean real quick and expand that. Let's do something like that. Sorry. Okay, let's remove this real quick. Now, if I actually take Chainlink right here, okay, we're currently sitting at $7.73 approximately. If I take it all the way to the all-time high, this gives you a return of 556%. Now, we said 12.5x. 12.5x would essentially give Chainlink at $100. Now, I definitely could see Chainlink at $100. I mean, there's no brainer. Of course, not financial advice. I'm not here that I'm not saying it's going to happen for sure, but you know, with the inflation, how everything's going on, I think we could see Chainlink at $100 in the next bull market, or at least by the end of 2024, which is pretty darn good. Now, if we have a look right here, we could see that the next one would be 31x. Now, if we have a look right here and we go a little bit up, 20x is obviously still possible. Now, I'm not saying that it's either going to be 12x or 31x. You could also take profit at 20x. 20x, I think, is still probable, guys. I still think we could see Chainlink at $105 billion. I think that's still possible. That would bring Chainlink to $163. Okay, can we see Chainlink at $163 by 2024 or 2025 beginning? Definitely. Obviously, very, very possible. Now, you might be asking yourself, wait, if we have a look on CoinGecko and we have a look at the market cap, we could essentially see that $134 billion would essentially be very, very high, right? It would be almost as high as Ethereum, higher than Tether, higher than BNB. How is this possible? Well, you also need to keep in mind that Ethereum will go up. We're probably going to see Ethereum at $7,000 to $10,000. Bitcoin will go up. Tether will go up. BNB will go up, and I'm not even really counting, USDT or USDC. So this would essentially bring Chainlink from 17 to a top 15 cryptocurrency, but I think we could definitely see it in the top 10. No brainer. So you guys need to keep in mind they also have a partnership with Google Cloud, and we know Google Cloud is pretty big. So a 31x right here would is Chainlink all the way up here, which would bring roughly to $250. So can we see Chainlink reach $250? It's possible, but it would be very, very tough. Essentially $134 billion market, not peanuts. It's a lot of money, but anything is possible. So 62.5x, probable but not impossible. Okay, it's not impossible, but it's not probable. Okay, so anything is possible. We know that. If you told me like 10 years ago, will Bitcoin go to $40,000, $60,000, a lot of people would have said no. So obviously anything is possible. Is it probable? I don't know. Your ROI would be 62.5x with a $62,500 investment back. That is a lot. And of course, something that probably won't happen is the last stage, sitting at a $500 billion market cap, $537 billion. $125x, $125,000 if you were to invest $1,000. Now, obviously, these numbers, guys, could not happen in 2024, 2025. That would be absolutely abnormal, but I'm not saying it's not impossible to see it in 10 to 15 years from now. So keep in mind that 10 to 15 years from now, I think that we could see Chainlink at these levels. I mean, we know how fast crypto is growing. We know that the adoption in crypto is only 2%, 2 to 3%, which is absolutely nothing. So imagine what happens when more people start to learn about crypto and understand about crypto. I mean, we're going to see all these numbers going up drastically. So obviously on CoinGecko, things are looking good. Chainlink is looking beautiful, $7.76. Just a couple weeks ago, we were sitting, we were sitting like under $6. Pretty bullish. And yeah, I mean, that's really all I have for today's video. We were sitting at $5.60. We peaked all the way down to $4.80. We've been consolidating in a beautiful manner, in my opinion. I think this is a very, very healthy consolidation. The only thing I don't like is that we are coming from a downtrend, and usually when you come from a downtrend and you consolidate, you usually end up continuing back to the downtrend. So that's the only thing I don't like. But Chainlink is here to stay, guys. We know it, you know it. We do have some decent support right here at this level, so this is obviously a very, very important box. We're gonna have to see if Chainlink can either break this resistance sitting at $9.20 or perhaps break this level right here at $5.80. So that is my video and my analysis on Chainlink, my price prediction for 2024. I think we got big news ahead. We know that the Bitcoin halving, guys, is around the corner. We know what happens couple of months after the Bitcoin halving, we usually see crypto explode. So first is Bitcoin, then we see altcoins explode. So obviously very exciting time ahead. Q4 of 2023 is about to start in just a couple of days from now. Q1 of 2024 is just around the corner. So I think, I don't know if we are out of the bear market just yet, but I think we're here. By the way, guys, before I end this video, if you want to earn up to $20,000, you can use my link in the description below. Crypto Dose, guys, MEXC official partnership. This ends in 16 days and 4 hours. You could also have, you're gonna pretty much get zero maker taker fees on spot, an absolute steal, which is cheaper than Binance and cheaper than KuCoin. You also have a zero maker on futures and a 0.01 taker on futures. So obviously pretty good, pretty bullish. You could save a lot of money, especially if you're trading with 10, 20, 30, $40,000. You could trade a crap ton of money. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys